Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nonchupagamo. Tonight on Uzalo, Njenje tell Nomaswazi why she started sleeping with Faranzimbi. And it seemed like Nomaswazi got disappointed after hear the reason of her mother to be sleeping with Faranzimbi. While Lily threatens to arrest Njeza if he goes after Gwanda. Kapsile received a backlash on her surprising return on show. He arrived later on the show, and her manager tell that he taking care the show. It is not the time to come on the show. While Sbu goes to Nomaswazi and Jeza tell them that Kunze is not dead. And Nomaswazi tell them that he continue with the gig. He wants this money. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.